I don't want you to catch her. She's sitting down. Wait.
She's laying down right in front of that tire. That black log laying down, but I don't know if she's...
Hi, Mama! She's so cute. We've got 9.
9.
9 beans. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready to come with us?
Here we go. Excited. You guys need anything?
We're heading out. We're heading out to Los Angeles. Have a long drive. Good girl. Good girl.